Hi guys, welcome to our channel Monster Chinodu. Today I'm going to make a video on my village. I'm going to show my village culture and nature. Come on, let's see. మా ఊర్లో ఉండే బెస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్లో ఇదొకటి. వీటితో పాటు చాలా ఉన్నాయి, అదో చూద్దాం. ఫ్లవర్స్, you know all these flowers maybe in my village, and the pink flowers and the white also, the incoming white also, and birds like Kodikunju, the best one, and making pujas in home. And normally everyone says do, and the love roses, beautiful roses, and the view how it will be looks like so awesomely. The climate of sky is so nice, and the clouds is awesome. The forest one, and same as clouds, different, looking good and awesome. Normally the clouds will be before raining and after raining will be so awesomely, and it's evening time, same day we are taking these flowers, and this also tree the best one, and we are the best friends. So continuously we are making some puja here, so awesomely we are enjoying that, and we are the best buddies in cricket. They're doing the awesome jobs, and fighters for my village, and I'm winning the best championship, and